Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 24th May 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 42 points up move. Though US markets have done pretty bad for itself yesterday, 286.14 points down on DowJones, that is 1.11% down. And Nasdaq down by 122.559 points, that is 1.58% down. 34 points down on S&P, that is 1.19% down. So though the US markets have done pretty bad for itself yesterday, SGX Nifty is showing green because of Mr. Narendra Modi's win and a clean swipe all over the place by BJP in yesterday's election results, and that is the reason today's Indian markets will open in green in the pre-open and continued open session as well. Indian markets have done pretty bad for itself yesterday. It went all the way up, but it came all the way down. It touched an all-time high in yesterday's market, but it came to the lows of the day. It ended at the lowest of the day. So that's Indian markets for you, a big negative red candle, and it had a great momentum in the beginning and lost everything, lost all the sheen. It is ending at the lowest point of the day, almost the lowest point of the day. So what is fast stochastic denoting? Fast stochastic is at 58, which denotes that we are not in an overbought zone or oversold zone, and slow stochastic is denoting we are at 72, which means we are still not in an overbought zone, and MACD is at 23.53, whereas exponential at 10.82, which suggests that there is great momentum in the market as of now. But a big red candle like this after doji, it may seem like too overwhelming. It seems like the market had already priced in the move of almost around 800 points in the sessions which had already happened. That's the reason a big cut came in. Usually it is said that always buy into the rumor and sell into the news. That's the reason I have said yesterday, don't trade in yesterday's session. So having said that, let's see what Indian markets offer as supports and resistances. The first level of support comes at 11,650, and the second level of support comes at 11,600 levels itself, and 11,569 levels, and 11,553, 11,537 levels, and 11,527, 11,500 itself is a very strong support for the market as of now. 11,475 and 11,450 and 11,428. If that is also barred, then 11,400 and 11,344 will be the levels we have to watch out for as supports. And what are the resistances we have to watch? The resistances are not as many as it was. So the first level of resistance is at 11,727, 11,760 and 11,810 or 11,820, both are resistances, and 11,860 of course. Now there is more, and 11,900 is one big resistance itself now, because Indian markets opened at 11,900 levels in yesterday's session and went all the way to 12,000 levels. So the level of 12,041, which is the all-time high for the market, is one more resistance we have to watch out for. It is quite possible, since there was anticipation that Mr. Modi would be taking power. So that has happened. Now the market will move towards higher zones, that is 12,300. Maybe slowly but steadily it will move towards 12,300 and then to 12,900 levels. That's the prediction I have. So that is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I'll teach you 3 strategies plus 1 strategy which makes money on a daily basis, and the 4th strategy is making about 50 to 100% in just one day. So that being said, this is Ashok Kumar signing off. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.